Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super quick but crucial, especially if you are working in a DevOps team and the developers just pinged you saying, hey, can you set up a Git repo for our new app? So, no worries, we can do that. Let's walk through how to install Git and create a bare repository on a Linux server, specifically on a storage server here as per this requirement in a data center environment. So step one is to install the Git. So most enterprise Linux distros like CentOS or RHEL don't come up with Git pre-installed. Hence we have to install it. We can try installing using yum. So the requirement here is the Nautilus development team has provided requirements to the DevOps team for a new application development project, specifically requesting the establishment of a Git repository. Follow the instructions below to create the Git repository on the storage server in the Stratos DC. Utilize M to install Git package on the Stratos server. Create a bare repository named opt official.git. Ensure exact name. Okay, so storage server. Let's first SSH to that. Let's open this in a new window. This is the storage server. So let's SSH. SSH user @ server, enter. Yes, and copy the password. Paste. Now sudo yum install git-y. So what this does is pull Git from the default repos and install it silently with the Y flag, which means it won't ask you for confirmation and it will proceed. Copy the password again. Enter. So it is taking time. It is first updating the packages. Okay, it's done. Now the next part is the key. The developers asked for a bare repository. What does that mean? What is a bare repository? A bare repo is like a central Git repo without a working directory. You can't edit files directly in it. It's just meant to be a shared remote that others push to and pull from. Think of it like a central storage unit for your code base. I'll repeat that again. What is a bare repository? A bare repo is like a central Git repository without a working directory. You can't edit files directly in it. It's just meant to be a shared repository that others pull and push. Think of it like a central storage unit for your code base. Let's create it. First, make sure the opt/opt directory is writable and then run. We have to run the command. What is /opt? Cd can check this way s-lrt/opt or slash fuse opt. So this is writable, executable. It has permissions. Now we can proceed. So for that, sudo git init --bear /opt official.git. So if you see initialized empty Git repo in /opt official.git. So this has created a Git repository named official.git inside /opt directory exactly as the developers team requested. The --bear flag is important. We should not skip it as they have asked for the bear repository. And that's it. Git got installed, bear repo got created. DevOps team was happy about it. And if you check this, confirm. Yeah, it's done. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below. If you want a breakdown on any other topics, please comment below and subscribe for more real world DevOps content. Until next time, stay curious and stay consistent. Thank you.